Hi guys, my name is Kajan Gowda. I'm an IT consultant in New York. On this channel, we're going to discuss IT trends, IT events, and IT career related topics. On this video, I'm going to talk about 5 tips how can you get a six-figure IT job. So you've been studying IT related subjects, or you are interested in IT related area of job, but you don't know where to start. I'll give you 5 good tips where you can get started and get going towards that job. Number one is assess your skills. To get any job, you need to have a skill set. The best way you can do is list down all the technology or the tools you know, write it down. The best way you can check whether your skill set is matching the job requirement or not, go to the job board and look for the desired jobs you are looking for. See, thoroughly understand roles and responsibility and the skill set, certifications, and the knowledge they're looking for, and match and see the difference, what you have, what you don't have. Once you assess, second step is in the assess step you can also talk to your friends and family and check on their day-to-day job, if they're working as IT professionals or a developer or a cloud engineer or a data scientist. You can ask what they do in day-to-day their life. You can also see what kind of personality they exhibit, what kind of stress level they go through, whether you like it or not. You can also take inventory of that part. Once you assess, second step is go and get training. So why training is important? Because you, as a starter, you might not have all the skill set job requires. So what are the various ways you can get training? Number one, and the best way is, if you can afford, go and get paid trainings. There are many training institute, they are doing good job. You can get training either online or offline. If you are not looking for paid trainings, you can search for free online courses. I recommend you can look for Coursera or some of the YouTube channel like Simply Learn, or there are numerous people that they teach you guys about technology. The number 3 is validate. What do you validate? The skill you had, skill you needed, and now the training has provided you the new set of skills. You can apply for your own do it yourself projects, or if you have a time and energy, talk to the non-profit organization, go and do a volunteer job. If you're not interested in doing volunteer job, you can develop your own lab at home and practice your skills, or you can go to this open source project and contribute to your skill set. By doing it, you not only you apply your skill set, you learn many more things part of being that project. Number 4, apply for interviews, go to the job board, build your resume, and start applying for the job. One best tip I can give you is go and make a habit of going to 1 or 2 interviews a week. Why? Through that process, you will talk to the hiring managers, hiring team, and through that you get to know what kind of salary you can expect, what kind of roles they're giving you, what kind of time they're expecting you to be. As an interview process, when you build your resume, when you go to the job board and apply, there is a time lag you need to understand. People will sort your resume and they will schedule you for many rounds of interviews. You need to understand, if you want to go for weekly 2 jobs, you need to prepare 2 to 4 weeks in advance, so that interview will fall into one of those weeks, following weeks. So you don't need to discouraged. The main goal of this applying for a job and interview is learning from your mistakes, and learning and where you are doing good, where you need to improve, and how can you negotiate better, and prepare yourself for the dream job you are looking for. Number five tip is hiring a mentor or working with a mentor. Why mentor? Mentor is the one who already mentored many people to go through this journey. They will know what is the best practices, they will understand your strength and weakness, and they will guide you and shorten the journey, the time you take to learn in a efficient way. And also, whenever you get discouraged, they will come and cheerlead you, inspire you to keep moving on your direction. And not only that, if you are having accountability or a procrastination issue, they will hold you accountable and they will nudge you to move towards that goal. And these are my 5 tips. And if you like the video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.